The next part of the library is to create a library for the archetype encoding and then for the imprinting test plate option. So if we just go ahead and click on the back button, as you can see, we've got one item under the Ryan Special Library. I'm going to create another item called Ryan Special Library 2. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now, if I had the specific herb or supplement or product or the physical substance and I had it placed on my test plate, I would then go ahead and click on the imprinting test plate, and during this time we actually send a pulse into the test plate, and again, mathematical, we look at a before and after reaction, and in doing that we actually generate a scan or a reading for that specific item that we have created. So in other words, it's actually scanning the item from the imprinting test plate, and then it is loading the item. Item added successfully. I'm going to add another item called Ryan Special 3, and then the archetype encoding, if I click on that, real simple process, and we've now got 3 different items added. So as you can see, we have now created 3 different items within the library. So in other words, my main library is called Ryan Special Library, and then underneath here I can have as many items as I want. To put that into more of a sort of clinical perspective, if you are a naturopath or an essential oils practitioner, let's say you do Young Living oils, instead of having Ryan Special Library up here, you could change this to be Young Living oils. So we just do YLO. And then under your Young Living Oils heading, you can list each and every library or each and every essential oil. Okay? But I'm just going to go back to Ryan Special so I can remember it. And click on return, click on update. Okay, something else to bear in mind is that if you want to delete or if you want to edit any one of these items, let's say I want to edit Ryan's Library 1, the text, I just rest my finger on that item and I slide on that line from right to left, and you get edit and you get delete. Okay, we're going to do that again. Ryan Special Library 2, you put your finger on it and then you swipe from right to left, and then the edit and the delete function will be there. So that is how you create a library. Super simple, super easy. Just as a reminder, you've got 3 ways you can create a library. Again, let's just quickly remind you. The archetype encoding process, if you don't have the item, you don't know what the frequency is. The test plate, if you have a test plate, or the frequency input, if you know the specific frequencies. So those are the 3 ways you can create a library. Super quick, super simple, super easy. Now, the next thing that I'd like to do is have a look at the master branch. So in the next module, we're actually going to be going through the master branch and how you can create a master branch and what the benefits are.